Hi guys, welcome back to 4DD. If you've ever faced the challenge of upgrading your storage and needed to clone your C drive to a larger SSD, you know it can be a daunting task. But worry not. Today we will share some efficient methods to help you clone your C drive to a larger SSD seamlessly. Step 1. Use disk management. Windows has a built-in tool called Disk Management that can help you clone your C drive. However, please note that this method does not directly clone the drive, but allows you to manually transfer data and adjust partitions. First, connect your new SSD to your computer. Open Disk Management by pressing Win plus R key, typing MISC, and pressing Enter. Initialize the new SSD, create a new simple volume for it. Step 2. Use 4DD Partition Manager. If you're looking for a more straightforward and reliable solution, 4DD Partition feature is here to help. It is a professional tool designed to clone entire disks or partitions with ease. First, download and install 4DD on your computer. Connect your new SSD to your computer. Launch 4DD and select Clone Disk from the main interface. Choose your C drive as the source disk and your new SSD as the target disk. Click Continue and Start button to begin the cloning process. 4DD will automatically handle the rest, including adjusting partitions and ensuring the bootability of the new SSD. Here you go. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.